Welcome to the SuiteCX short video tutorial series. This video is going to teach you how to create a new project using our Import a Project with CSV functionality. This will give you a new project with a fully completed inventory. Let's get started. First, you'll want to go into your SuiteCX account, click on an existing project or look at the existing project options, and then go down to Import a Project with CSV. Click on that and that will take you down to the wizard. Click on that. Now you'll be on this screen. So over here on the right there's a very small help center. In here you will find your CSV import template. Make sure you click on that and download that. That's the file that you're going to populate to import. You'll find your API in instructions. This will give you very clear instructions on how to fill out your Excel. And icon instructions. This will give you the icons that are in our icon library and the word that you should use to populate the field for the icon. So for our lesson today, I'll show you a file that's already been completed using the CSV template. These are the fields that you'll find in the template. You'll notice only the first three have an asterisk by them. That means that those are mandatory, the rest are optional. You're just going to start completing your columns and rows, and the names of your eye points will go in the title field, and the icon or the visual representation of that eye point will go in the icon field. So back to our help center. In order to see the icons in the icon library, you're just going to click on the icon instructions document. Then this will give you all the icons that are in our current library. If you find one that you'd like to use, you just simply copy and paste or retype the words, and they are case sensitive, into the Excel file in the column for icon. Pretty simple. So now that I've got my Excel spreadsheet completed, I did this beforehand, and my focus today is on the experience of shopping for clothes. And in my file I have 39 eye points. So now I just go back to my wizard. I'm going to say choose a file. There's my file. And make sure you leave it in CSV format. Don't let Excel save it into Excel format because then it won't work. We want to make sure it's CSV. Click open and then click upload file. What this will do is it'll show you what your upload is going to look like. This is a quality assurance step. You can quickly see your columns and rows, and then the counts will tell you how many eye points are within each column and row. So remember, I mentioned just earlier that I have 39 eye points in my Excel spreadsheet. Here's a summary telling me that I have 39 eye points in this file that I'm loading. This is a good way for you to know that your file is of good integrity, so your load will be successful. Then you just name your project. I'm calling this one Julie's World of Retail. And choosing a default map, this does not matter. We are not using the default map in SuiteCX. In this case, we're overwriting all this with our Excel file, so you can leave this as is. Also, you can leave everything here as default. This is just going to make sure that your project contains all the different features and modules of a normal SuiteCX project. Click Import Map. And there you go. That is your new inventory of eye points based on your Excel file. As you can see, that took just about a second. And you can scroll through this map and see how things have been laid out. And if you want to make any changes, you can make those changes here. Feel free to open up the eye points. This is where you can change the text. You can add more information like direction, planned or unplanned. You can add some descriptions like moments of truth or pain points. You can also move them if you feel that an eye point would better belong in another place on your inventory grid. This is a great place to do that. So this is one of our key features, a very quick way to get started in a new project. You notice at the top in the breadcrumbs, you now have a new project called Julie's World of Retail. This is your inventory, and from here you can start to make maps. You can change the inventory. You can add more eye points to the inventory by clicking on your eye point library and double-clicking on any eye point that you like. Place it where you want it, give it a name, etc. If you just want to get rid of an eye point, you can just click delete and then it is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. A quick tutorial on how to create a new project using the Excel import CSV template. Thank you.